Right, hello everyone. This is the last question I'm going to do in this section. It's taken from the assess. This is assess from question 9. It's a beautiful little question. It says the weights of some apples. Oh, by the way, I've got rid of my little clock in the corner. It's beginning to annoy me. Plus, I reckon I'm going to get it done in just 5 minutes anyway, so I won't run out of time. So the weights of some apples are shown in the table. Some apples. I've not been told which kind of apple, but that will be relevant later. Granny Smith's apples have a mean weight of 45 grams. So there's your Granny Smith's apples, 45 gram mean weight, and the range of weights for Granny Smith's is 39 grams. Imagine that. That's quite a spread. I think I put the word spread again. I want you to learn this word, spread. That looks a bit like a D, doesn't it? It's not meant to be D, it's meant to be one of those. Alright, so now compare these data, that is say the data for Granny Smith's. Do the data in the table seem to be about Granny Smith's? Well, let's take the hints. They've given me a mean and they've given me a range. Well, let's just work out the range first of all. Straight away, I've got the range for this mysterious group of apples in the table. The maximum is going to be 70, take away 30. It's only an estimate, so I can't be sure that one of these 25 apples is, you know, close to 30. Well, it might be, I don't know. I'm going to assume it's bang on the bottom. So the maximum range going, you're looking at 40 grams as a weight range. So it's very close to 39 for Granny Smith's then. Now, I've got to work out a mean. So I'm going to go midpoint. I'm going to make it fit here, times frequency. So I'm going to say the middle of 30 and 40 is 35. I'm going to just write it fully. I've got 35 lots of 25. I'm not going to pause this video. I feel like I owe you now because I paused you a couple of times from before. 45 lots of 28 apples. 55 grams for 21 apples, and we're assuming 65 as a midpoint, times 6. Going to work all these out and then get a grand total. So what do we got here? We've got 35 grams times 25 of these little apples. So these 25 come to 875 grams. The next little batch, 45 gram apples multiplied by 28, that gives us 1260 grams, that little lot. 55 times 21, they're getting big now, these things. 1155 grams. And 6 lots of 65, these are whoppers, 390 grams. It's getting a bit messy, hope you can bear with me. Add up that little lot there. Please don't do that in the exam, just, you know, you'll be given dotted lines along the bottom, so please use it nicely. Right, add up that little lot. I've got 875 plus 1260 plus I've got 1155 plus I've got 390. Altogether, all these apples come to, here's the total, comes to 3,680 grams. Now, how many apples are we talking about? I'm not told. Well, I've got 25, 28, 21 and 6. Let's show my working. So this is the frequency. Well, all the frequencies add up anyway to give me the total frequency of the whole lot. So let's just do that. I've got 25 plus 28 plus 21 plus I've got the last heavy 6. I've got 80 apples, yippee. So 80 apples, not 80 grams please, 80 apples. Don't be frightened to use words occasionally. So the total weight is 3,680 grams divided by 80 apples, and this will give us the mean. So let's just do that sum now. We go 3,680 grams. Do it again. 3,680. 3,680. It's all wobbling my hand here. Divide that by 80 apples, and what have we got? We have got 46 grams on average per apple. Now, question. Compare these data with the table. Do the data in the table seem to be about Granny Smith's? Well, a range of 39 for Granny Smith's, 40 in the table. A mean weight of 45, we get 46. What's 1 gram between friends? So therefore I'm going to conclude the means are very close. And I'm going to say the ranges are very close. Therefore I've justified the fact that I'm going for Granny Smith's as being the apple represented in the table. Therefore the data is about Granny Smith's apples. Alright, so I think I'll sign it off. I've not done that for a while, have I? Alright, that's me signed off, Mr. C, your math teacher.